Today we're gonna make this colorful entree, roasted cauliflower with chickpeas and tomatoes. To get started, we have half a cauliflower that I'm just gonna cut in half here. And we're gonna prepare this to roast in the oven. This is so easy. We're just going to cover this in olive oil. We have that on our baking sheet. I have a couple extra pieces here. Roast them too. And then we're gonna sprinkle some salt and pepper on both of them. Some salt. And we're gonna get these ready to go in the oven. But first, I'm gonna prepare our tomato and our chickpeas as well. So we're gonna put them all in the oven at the same time. So next, I have a cup of chickpeas, put them into a Pyrex, and a cup of tomatoes. So again, some olive oil on top of both, salt and pepper. And not only is this dish flavorful and delicious, but it's also vegan and gluten-free. So if you're ever thinking about, you have some guests coming over that are gluten-free, maybe they're not vegetarian or vegan, but they would still love this dish. So we're gonna cover the chickpeas and our tomatoes. I have our oven set at 375. We're gonna roast all of these in the oven. Our cauliflower has some great color. We have our crispy chickpeas and our roasted tomatoes. So now we're gonna assemble our dish. We're gonna use hummus on the bottom of our platter. I'm gonna spread that. I want the hummus to be our base of this dish. So I wanna have enough for our cauliflower to sit right on it. And now we're gonna use our crispy chickpeas. I want the crispiness all over the hummus. Next, we're gonna take our cauliflower we've roasted. I'm gonna put that right here. Look how beautiful this is. If you serve this at an entree, everybody's gonna love this. And we're gonna top that with our tomatoes that we've roasted here. Put those on top. I love all of these colors. It's so pretty and refreshing. And the flavor of the tomato is really gonna add to our cauliflower. Of course, for some added color, I have some chopped parsley, fresh parsley, that I'm just gonna add on top of this. And this entree is ready to serve. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckus.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.